Hey guys, happy weekend. Today is Saturday and we're going to the playground.
Guys,
Hi, so this is our neighborhood. This is the nearest MARTA station in our house. Tawid. Tawid, tawid. So napapagod na ako maglakad.
it's not an
Nag-decide kami hindi na lang magdala ng sasakyan para ma-experience ni George ang sightseeing dito sa neighborhood namin.
When guys,
Ang init! Summer na summer pa rin.
the summer game.
Mga gaano ba kalayo to, Daddy, from our house? Ilang miles? Para ba tayo naglakad mula Sherwood hanggang entrance na multi? So parang hanggang Pure Gold? Hindi naman.
It
Yeah.
has all of the chocolate things. I'm
Hey.
gonna walk over here.
Are you charging?
Go, you my phone.
Yeah, I might.
Kuya, huwag ka
See,
dyan sa
now I
grass.
can't.
Si Kuya makulit. Gusto malaglag.
It's an insta win,
Grabe.
guys.
Kita niyo ba yung pawis ko? Tagak yung pawis ko. Sobrang
It's an
init.
insta win, guys.
Naging lalaki si George. Ito ang
Marcos.
pangalan niya. Sydney Marcus.
I thought it was gonna be Garson.
Pwede din Garson. Pero sa ganun yung Sydney Marcus. Nasaan na tayo, G? Hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok sa drive-thru. Here. Chick-fil-A. Open the door. Hi, George! Hi!
I want to get my iPad, please.
Shortcut for burger delivery shop.
I'm not gonna eat it.
You saw that, no?
Healthy ko, no?
Tissue, tissue.
Pero sandamakmak na waffle fries. Hi, Tisha.
Tissue, tissue.
Here.
Daddy, where? Tissue. What to put? What tissue?
Ay, dito kami sa Chick-fil-A playground. May milk break yung bata. Yeah. Yep. Kailangan muna nila ubusin yung food nila bago sila mag-playground.
There you go. Tisha, find it. Now do this. Now let's go. Let's hold hands.
You see a foot. Nakakapagod ba maglakad? Ha? We are going to Marshall's. This way to Marshall's. Kuya's favorite store is Marshall's. Magkakatabi dito yung mga stores. Marshall's, Ross, Office Depot, Michaels. Here, Payless. Pero nagsara na yung Payless dito kasi lugi sila. Tingnan natin kung meron tayo makikita ng mga sulit finds dito sa Marshalls. Come on, Gian.
Can we sit? No.
Yun yung gusto kong upuan.
Can we sit on it? Looking at Seiko.
Hindi, baka malaglag.
These are these.
Oh, si Kuya, oh. Chill.
Try that.
Masarap, Kuya.
Yeah.
I can eat it too.
You're messing up my relax. Yeah. Don't fall, okay?
Hi. How much is it?
I'm really
Oh,
hungry.
Yeah, you're not.
it's $300.
I'm hungry.
Hindi naman kasya sa house natin yan eh. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung mayroong magandang booties dito sa Edelman. So, mga shirts, clearance. Yan. See? Okay. Lashes. Mga blending beauty blender alternatives. Oh wait, ito yung mascara na gusto ni Chris Oy. I saw in her vlogs. Maganda daw yung reviews dito. Dresses. Stop kulitan ha. Bag section. Mga Michael Kors stuff. This bag. And then, oh look. From 195, 129 lang siya. Staff picks. Cool. Mga Gucci florals. Yan. Hollister. AE. Mala D&G ang peg nito kasi florals, flowy dresses.
I'm just pushing t-shirt. Okay, move.
Then,
We don't have a car.
yeah, we don't have a car. We'll walk here. Here's Smash Burger, our favorite burger. Mas masarap na siya kaysa sa Five Guys Burger. Pauwi na kami ng bahay. Here's what Wings 101. Don't go to food namin pag wala kaming food sa bahay. So, masarap yung chicken wings nila dyan. Gian!
I got a silver tooth.
Yeah, you went to the dentist this morning.
Yeah,
Hey,
and I got a silver tooth.
Sa roadside tayo dadaan ngayon. Kanina, papunta dun sa may kabilang side. There's a salon here. Mahal. Shampoo, trim style, $49.
Blood.
Blood? No, paint. Anong oras na, kuya?
8:30.
8:30 na, pero maliwanag pa sa labas.
But the moon.
But the moon is over there. You can see the moon.
Pasok tayo free.
Free?
Free swim. What? Yeah. Free smell.
Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's is like Subway. Approaching Lindbergh City Center. So ito lahat nung nakikita sa Lindbergh City Center. There's Dunkin' Donuts dito sa may corner. Here's Taco Mac. It's like a sports bar. Okay. Palit daw, palit. Okay, hold my hand. Okay. Tired na daw si ate, si George. Tired na din. Bagsak. Going home. Let's go.
Hold me.
Okay. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, you rock baby. Home.
Kailan pa nagsara ang Five Guys dito? Last year pa? Oh, bakit kaya?
Oh, my God.
No more Five Guys.
What?
Luge. Luge. You know what luge is?
Yeah, unlucky.
Hmm? Unlucky?
Wait. I don't know.
We need to polish your English-Tagalog translation. Okay, malapit na tayo. Dito na sa may Marta. So green. All green.
We here home.
Huh?
We here at home. I got a bun.
The bun?
Yeah.
Show them. Side view. Wow. You look pretty. You tired?
No.
Okay. So, dito nagtatapos ang aming neighborhood tour.
Daddy, I'm gonna do magic.
We're almost
I'm gonna
home.
make the door
So,
open.
thank you for watching. Bye.